Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in our today video, we will be providing you the solution of deploying an open source Cassandra database using the GCP marketplace. So before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, just subscribe to our channel for getting this amazing lab solution and like the video and share the video to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. Let's get started. Just click on the Start Lab button. Copy the passport and open the Google Cloud Console in an incognito window. Now click on the next button. Paste the passport, then click on the next button. Now click on the I understand. Tick the checkbox and click on agree and continue. Now go to the navigation menu and click on the marketplace. Now go back to the lab instructions. Come to the task 1 and copy this Apache, or you can copy this Apache and Apache Cassandra package by the Bitnami. Now go back to the lab instruction, paste it in the search bar and then press enter. Now click on the first option. Now click on the get started. Now you have to accept the terms and agree and then click on agree button. Now click on deploy. Now this type of interface you will get to know. Now under the machine type you have to select series E2. Click on the upper and select E2 from here. Then you have to select E2 medium, that is by default selected. Now leave all the setting default and then click on the deploy button. Click on got it. So our Cassandra 1 is being deployed. So wait for that. Once it deployed, then we can move ahead. So we have to wait for it. Now you get this type of output that Cassandra 1 has been deployed but contain warning. So ignore all the warning and go. Now click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who get a green tick here, make sure that you like this video. Now we will be doing a task to connect to the database. For that, go back to the lab instruction. Click on the SSH and click on it. Now SSH in browser will open. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this command from here. We have to replace the username and the password. So let the SSH, so our SSH in browser has been open. Just paste this command. Now go to the cloud console. Copy this Cassandra from here and go to the SSH in browser. Now move your cursor to the user. Now you have to remove this and let's remove it out. Now paste your username here. Now we have to change the password. For that, again go back to the cloud console. Copy this password from here and go to the SSH in browser. Now replace it out by the pass. Now paste the password, then press enter. Now this type of output you will get. Now go back to the lab instruction. Now copy this command. Go to the SSH, paste it, then press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction. Copy this command. Go to the SSH, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction. Copy the third command. Go to the SSH in browser, then paste it and then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction. Click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Okay, this task has been completed. Now we have to insert the data into the table. For that, copy this command. Go to the SSH in browser, paste it. Now press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy this fourth command, paste it, then press enter. Now go back to the lab instruction, copy the second command, go to the SSH in browser, paste it, then press enter. Now again go back to the lab instruction, copy this command, go to the SSH in browser, then press enter key. Now click on check my progress. You will get a green tick here. Those who have completed this lab with me, just type completed in the comment box, and I am happy to tell you about that. We are participating in a challenge in which we will be completing 1K subscriber on YouTube in just 2 months. So provide some love and support to our channel. Like the video and share the video to those whosoever is participating in the arcade program. And this is all about this video. Now you can end this lab. This is all about this video. I will catch you in my next video. Till that, thanks for watching. Have a good day.